In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Airbnb and Vrbo. If you're trying to decide which platform is better for your next trip, the key is to compare them in a practical, side-by-side way instead of just looking at the first price you see. Start by going to Airbnb or opening the Airbnb app and then search for the exact same destination and travel dates on both Airbnb and Vrbo. This gives you a fair comparison right from the beginning. As you browse, look at how many properties are available on each platform and the variety of listings you get. Also think about the kind of stay you actually want, whether that's an entire home, an apartment, a condo, or something more unique. Next, compare total costs carefully. Don't focus only on the nightly rate because that can be misleading. Look at the nightly price, cleaning fees, service fees, taxes, and any security deposit if one applies. What really matters is the full checkout total, since that's the amount you'll actually pay. After that, review the cancellation policies for each property. These can vary a lot from one listing to another, even on the same platform. Check whether there's a free cancellation window, whether only partial refunds are offered, or whether the booking is completely non-refundable. This is especially important if your travel plans might change. Then move on to the property details. Check the number of bedrooms and bathrooms and make sure the amenities match your needs. Things like Wi-Fi, a kitchen, a pool, or parking can make a big difference. It's also smart to read the house rules and check for accessibility features if those matter for your trip. Guest reviews are another major part of the comparison. Pay close attention to comments about cleanliness, whether the listing photos match reality, how well the host communicates, and how smooth the check-in experience was. Recent reviews are usually more helpful than older ones because they reflect the current condition of the property. You should also evaluate the host or property management style. On Airbnb, many listings are hosted by individuals, while Vrbo often features entire homes managed by owners or property managers. Look for response rates, verified hosts, experience level, and overall review history. It's also worth comparing customer support options, check support availability, guest protection policies, and how each platform handles cancellations or property issues. Finally, consider your travel style. Airbnb may suit you better if you want apartments, shared spaces, unique stays, or urban accommodations. Vrbo may be the better fit if you want entire homes only, especially for family trips or larger groups. Also check for long stay discounts, weekly or monthly rates, and special promotions. To make the decision easier, create a simple side-by-side comparison using factors like total cost, location, reviews, amenities, cancellation policy, support, and overall value. Then choose the option that gives you the best combination of price, convenience, and flexibility for your trip.